Hi guys, you can watch this on YouTube as well as on Twitter. All right, let's talk about crowd first. For me, crowd is about to break down. Like you can see, it's clearly making a M pattern. It's going down here, and the volume is also gone. The DMA is also very weak. Plus, we have few gaps on the crowd. We have gaps right here. We have gaps right here. So I am not a positive person on crowd. The gaps are there, and these gaps needs to be filled. And now it's actually making a M pattern, which is clear. The 12 and 34 are also converging. Let's also look at the flow if we have. Uh, Let me just post this links. Guys, if you can see, let me know. I am not checking my account, so I'm just sharing the link. Uh, Join and let me know if you can see. All right, now let's look at the flow for it, for crowd. So first, I would like to see only multi-legs. So multi-legs are there, 280 puts, a lot of 280 puts. I mean, a lot of 280 puts. 280 and 270 puts. Uh, the spread is really, really high. 270 puts, 6, 7. And then most of them are calendar trades. These are not straightforward. Like here you have 380 of July, this week, and 21st. Same thing here to reduce the premium. Again, same thing is coming here. This week call and July call are being bought of 380 and June 21st is sold. And here we have calendar spreads of 280. 280. And they're exactly same. Like they're trying to buy 280 puts of July and this week selling June the 14th. So a little confusing. Let's look at any open-ended trades. These are 250 puts. Two of them are there. Let's look at them. Hardly anything. First time with an open interest. And these are bought above the ask. So positive right here. Let's look at their WT. 1.23 put by call ratio. Lots of puts are being bought here. The put call ratio is really high. So I am not confident on crowd to go higher. I may not be taking any trade, but I'm not confident. So if you are looking to go with a trade, I am going to avoid it. I am not running this trade. Uh, then I was looking at ES on my 15 minutes. Like on daily charts, you see it's making dodges. Like today, it was actually making an evening star, but then came and from 5 to 7 to area, which was right here, it bounced and then again it's making a dodgy. So it's not ready to go down yet. There's enough buying which is happening. That's why I'm kind of uh, not in a short mode. Yesterday we had shorts, but it came to 34 EMA and then bounced. So I'm kind of avoiding it. But if we have, like tomorrow, we have the payroll numbers. If we have them nice, I think the market is ready for some higher moves. AMD is super weak, like 171 was never clear, and now AMD is really weak. It's coming to a point where I would not touch it. And the same with Nvidia. Nvidia 1160s are right there. If it gets cleared, right now it's like super duper mode. I don't know whether it's going to sustain it or not. Last time we had something similar, it cooled off almost to 840. Something around 915 is possible. Maybe after the split, or maybe 2 weeks after the split. But that's like that's possible. Is possibility is there. Uh, Apple Apple is making a dodgy right at the top. I don't like this. So I would keep 193 as my stop loss. If it breaks 193, I think it will come back to 190. So Apple is making a dodgy. And as I've always said, I don't like dodgies. Amazon today is making higher low, little positive. It needs to clear 180 to come back above 180. Like in real world, it needs to cross 180, 160 so it can move forward with some strength. Uh, and guys, if you have any ticker you want me to pick it up, do let me know on the Twitter. Uh, I think if you're looking into crowd, you may try Pan W. Pan W is not showing strength. Like 292 is an area where it is kind of struggling, and it's 12 and 34 are almost converging. So I am a little cautious. Like if crowd goes down, Palo Alto, Zscaler will also go down. Zscaler, went up right into the earnings after hours, but then it was weakened and now it's like really low. So right now Zscaler is trading at 169. It went to 185, but that's about it. I really like Starbucks at this moment. Starbucks is showing some strength. Also look at TLT. TLT has moved $92. This shows that yes, there is some positive intent in the market. The yields are coming down, and when the yields are coming down, the TLT goes up. Like yields is down 1% by TNX. What else I want to show? Meta has been consolidating in this zone of 474, 477. It needs a trigger. So possibly that trigger may come uh, tomorrow. Keep an eye. Bitcoin has been going up in last few hours. It's trading at 71,000. Uh, if everything goes fine, I think Bitcoin is setting up for a bull flag. Like it's consolidating in this zone and it's getting ready to break out above 71. Possible move, because I do not trade, but every time you see there's a breakout, it goes almost 10,000, $20,000 move. So it's a good consolidation which is happening. It's very nice bull flag. Uh, the break may happen today, tonight, tomorrow. I don't know, but it's coming. So you may trade Mara, MSTR coin based on that. Palantir, PLTR. Same thing is happening in Palantir. Like it's consolidating, and today it was able to clear the 34 EMA, and which is a positive sign. That's why I took a small position of 22 calls this week into Palantir. It went up almost 20%, but then came back with the market. But this is a bullish engulfing. I think if we hold this 2175 area, we should see 23 by the end of this week. Like 2270 is the gap. I think we should be able to see that by the end of this week. Tesla is trying its best. Like it's again uh, consolidating very tightly. Like if you want to see, it's consolidating very tightly. Maybe it's awaiting some news. There's excellent squeeze which is happening. The DMI is normal. Average range is $7. It's today is 370. So possible move is coming into or like brewing into Tesla. I'm actually positive if it breaks out, it will be a good move on Tesla. Baba Baidu, there's no point trading in them at this time. Uh, Baidu has seen some incredible negative flow in last few days, and since the earnings, it has only come down. And right now, it's like if you see, it's a long-term bear flag. If it breaks from here, it will be nasty. But we need some like dodgies here. Right now, we do not see dodgy. Dodgy was there, and then a big red candle. We need a dodgy and a green candle. Only then Baidu trade will make sense. What else, guys? Boeing is really solid. It's 2% up even today, and it's trying to showcase that yes, it has strength and it is going to digest the Dow weakness by moving higher itself. Otherwise, I think we are in a good shape. Uh, Last one is Netflix. Netflix has a resistance of 631, 635. It's making that resistance felt. Uh, I'm not positive, but I'm not negative either. It's making like lower lows, lower highs. I wanted to lose 625. If it does, then I may try short for 619, but not as of now. Nike, Nike looks good. It looks good, positive. Yep, it can actually break out. Mm, I like Oracle at this time. Oracle looks good to me. The moment it breaks over 121, I think it's gonna go for new highs. Mm, Let me see if someone has. All right, guys. Thank you for joining. I just wanted to give you a 10-minute quick live just to let you know that yes, market is still in a range, trying to figure out which direction it wants to go. Do not go crazy. Wait for the direction, and once that is there, because we just saw a whipsaw of 25 points in a matter of 2 minutes from 53.12 to 52.88, span of like 5 minutes. All right, take care and all the very best. Bye bye.